Okay, folks, it's Deej, Farm Life. Come out here, jump in the boss's truck to get ready to go to my doctor's appointment before I go to work. And there's damn ice on the windshield. Damn ice. It's too goddamn cold for this shit. Damn it. Son of a bitch, I don't need this shit early this morning. Damn it. Oh well. And apparently, according to Facebook, there was a fire out somewhere that way, but I don't know anything yet to that either. So, I will see. Don't know. This is Deej, going to his appointment. Hello folks, it's Deej. We're out here in the fields again today. You know, we're out here with the one with the damn windmill. It gives me a migraine. Luckily, it's not running today, but we are having a pain in the ass. The other day when that storm went through, shut up. Anyway, the other day when that storm went through, it knocked a hell of a lot of it down. Those high winds that was booting me out of Bird of Prey stream the other day when I had the rain day off. Yeah, that's what it did. It knocked a hell of a lot of this corn down. So it's real slow going trying to pick it. Just can't go too fast. And just got to kind of get under it and lift it and in. More over here. Winds took her right on down. So it's going to be a long day out here today. Slow pickings. Now the first part of this video was from yesterday before I went to the doctor's office to find out this and that and the other about my thing. So when you see the ice thing and I say today, well, that's yesterday. I know you're gonna say fake news and everything else, but I wasn't gonna upload a 1-minute video yesterday on just ice on a windshield. But there was ice on today's windshield too. It was just as cold this morning as it was the other day. Yesterday. Damn. Yep, there's that damn windmill. At least it's not turning right now. That damn thing gives me a migraine whenever it's running and I'm out here next to it. Yeah, real slow pickings here. One way you can go about 3 miles an hour through it, but if you're going the opposite direction with how it fell, you gotta slow way down. Just try to get it. Most of these windmills are not running. Some were running and then they're shut back off again. All within the last hour. That one right there, I've seen start up, and quit. That one over there, that one, center screen, it was stopped, it started, ran for a little while and stopped again. I don't know, you know, all this cheap energy, that's what happens. They don't run the damn shit. Keep the power bills high. They don't run all this shit, that's why. Fuckers. Anyway, I ain't gonna go into my boring details, and I'm alive, that's all I'm gonna say. We won't go into the boring details of that shit either. Let's see, it's just a hazy day out here today. Something about 50 now, so that's not bad. Nothing to complain about there. It's supposed to be in the 60s. This is all we're going to do today. Slow picking all day long in this 200-acre field. That's right, folks. This one's 200 acres. Told you there wasn't many fields left, but the ones that were left were quite large. And you got to stop every once in a while and clear that out and bump it around or it plugs. Just because this corn is laying down. What a disaster. So when folks say Why don't you take the day off? Why you gotta keep going every day? This is why. You get an unexpected storm come through this time of year, and it just lays it all down. This is why you gotta keep picking as a farmer every single day that you got good during picking season. You just can't decide when to pick and if you want to take a good day off or not. You got to get right on it. And you got to keep at it until it's all done. This is Deej. I'm going to get off there. If anything else happens, I'll be back. Other than that, this is exactly what's going to happen all day long right here. Well, here I am, folks, and there's a coyote. Got a coyote in front of me. And I'm zoomed in as close as I can. But yeah, I'm chasing the coyote around the field now. Looks like he got himself a rabbit. Nope, maybe not. He just don't know where he wants to go. Because he knows I'm hot on his trail. I'm chasing Wile E. Coyote. So we got one in the daytime, folks. Not just night. Yeah, get in the ditch. There he is, just hunkering down, waiting for me to pass. He's down the ditch now. Well, there's our wildlife of the day. Little wildlife of the day from Deej. Little coyote. Out here chasing the rabbits that we're chasing out. Anyway, I'm out again.